Google Sites versus Google Business Profile. Which one is the best? Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and I bring you back with yet another video. This video will be a bit different because in this I will be telling you the difference between two platforms that you find online. Now, obviously, you might find it difficult that the two basic platforms that Google provides us, it's Google Sites and Google Business Profile. Now, obviously, many of you have confusions in what Google Sites does, what Google Business Profile does, what's the different pricing plans, and which one is basically better. That's why you're here. So don't worry, it's very simple. I'm going to explain it in the easiest way possible. And once I've explained it, you will have a lot of ease choosing between the two websites. Okay, so just relax and keep watching the video through. So let's get right into it then. So what is Google Sites? Google Sites is basically a structured tool that Google provides us in which we can create our very own website, and it's totally customized. So let's get right in, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, of course, you need to sign in with your account. Now, once you've signed in, this is the interface you're going to get. This is the outlay, basically. So from here, they give you different types of templates. For example, if you want to make a portfolio, you want to make an event website, a help center, a project page, or a team page, there's different templates. But we're going to go ahead and start with a blank because I want to show you how to start it off. So once you click on blank, it's going to take some time to load. And once it loads, this is basically, now this is your canvas, empty canvas in which you're going to try to make whatever you like. So there's different types of text boxes and features over here. So basically this is what you get when you try to create it on your own. So yeah, from here you can make it however you'd like, but obviously this is just for example purposes. So I'm not going to create it on a blank one for now. I'm going to take a template from their template gallery. For example, let's take this one, this restaurant template. Now, once we take it, it's gonna load a bit. Now, once it loads it up, it's gonna open the whole site on the page. As you can see, the whole site is open now. And now we can do whatever we like with the website. For example, add your restaurant name right here. For example, we can add, just as an example, you can add KFC. Write a short tagline. You can add a KFC writes finger loving, finger licking good chicken. So we write that, and this is basically our header now. And as you can see, they already provide you with the home, contact the chef menu prompt that people are gonna get up here. And you can add different types of logos or different types of brand images. For example, you can upload it by yourself if you like, or you can just go to Google Images and search up logo. And once you do that, just take any logo that you want. For example, let's just do KFC. And when we find a KFC logo, there we go. Select any logo that you like, any logo that you prefer. And then after that, there we go. Then we're just going to do that. And it's selected. Now, as you can see, there's the KFC logo over there. Over here, we can write a KFC. Once that is done, looks better. And you can also change the boldness. You can make it italic. You can make it underlined. We're going to make it italic. That looks better. You can change the text color. So I'm going to make it red. And yeah, basically that looks much better. You can change the color of this background if you want to. Let's go to header type. Over header, you can make it look like this. Or you can make it just look like a title only. You can make a large banner. Or you can just make it a whole cover. So I guess the large banner looks a lot better. And even change the photo behind it. So let's select an image. And once we go on that, you can choose like numerous amount of things you can choose over here. So if you go on search, I'll just write KFC again. Once I write that, there we go. Just choose that. I'm going to select it. And it's going to adjust itself right behind there. And look at that. It looks amazing. And the same goes for down here. You can change all these photos, all these things. You can make new text boxes. You can add images. You can embed in HTML. You can add anything from your drive. You can basically choose out content blocks. And you can collapse different groups if you like to. You can make a table of different contents, image carousel, button divider, a lot of features. You can export a video from YouTube. You can export a slide from Docs. You can export slides from Google Slides, take something from Google Forms, take something from Google Charts. Basically numerous amounts of things that Google Sites provides you with. So there are tons and tons of features that you can use. You can even use different themes. So once you've done all that, you can make a copy of this if you like, and then you can finally publish it. Make your custom web address. And after that, yeah, you just publish your site, and there you go. You have your own site. That is how easy Google site makes it for you. So yeah, that's basically the overview of Google Sites. Now let me take you to Google Business Profile. So if we talk about Google Business Profile, what difference does Google Business Profile provide us from Google Sites? So Google Site is all about creating your very own page out of scratch and doing whatever you'd like to it. Google Business already gives you a template. For example, you don't really have the freedom of doing whatever you like. You already get a proper template. And just first of all, I'm going to sign up just to show you. For example, I just write KFC over here and continue. You can tell if it's an online retail or a local store. I'm just going to do both. You can skip the website part if you don't have any. And business category, food, just do anything like food bank. And you can proceed to next. You're going to enter your business address and everything. And once all of that is done, Google Business will make a profile for you. And it will just give you an already made page in which you can just fill in information, but you can't really change the layout, the theme. Like basically, it's not your own canvas. It's a canvas with a picture already painted on it, and you can just change the strokes if you like. The one perk of having a Google Business Profile is, for example, if I write in KFC over here, as you can see this, when you make a Google Business Profile, you can get this out of it. You can provide your business venture in different locations on the Google map, and when people click on it, they can see, for example, look at all of these people have made their profiles on Google Business Profile. So when you click on them, you can see that people can see your reviews, they can go on your website, they can save directions, they can see your address, they can see how many hours you're open, your phone number, different types of things. So this is what Google Business Profile provides us. And in the pricing, they both are totally free. Of course, if you want a custom domain, that will take a bit price. I think it's annually $10, which is, I'll be honest, a gamble, which is perfect. So yeah, basically this is the overview of Business Profile and Google Sites. And both are good in each other's case. But if I were to prefer which website is better, Sites or Business Profile, then I'd say if you want to create a website for any type of local retailer or anything, then I'd say you use Google Sites and if you're into design and stuff, you can use Google Sites because this is a freedom of whatever you like. You can make any type of design, you can make it so attractive that the customers will come to your place. So yeah, if you want freedom, you can just make it on Google Sites. But if you don't mind someone already giving you a ready-made template, and from there on you want to proceed, then Google Business is for you. Google Business, although I have told the one perk it has, is that you can bring your business towards Google Maps, and from there the whole world can see it. And that just increases the number of customers. So yeah, basically that's the gist of both of them. And one final cut, that if I were to use something more, I just use Google Sites because I'm more of a creative person and I'd like my website to look the way I want to look it exactly. So I just use Google Sites. So yeah, I hope that I summarized it for you, and I hope that gave you a good overview of how things really are between Google Sites and Google Business Profile. So I hope this tutorial was easy for you. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Drop a like, share and subscribe. It helps me out. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.